We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Another type of Hakka instrumental music is beiguan, which was brought to Taiwan by Hakka settlers from Zhangzhou on the mainland. Unlike nanguan, its earlier and more refined counterpart, beiguan is loud and complex, usually accompanied by noisy gongs and drums. Beiguan is widely used at temple festivals and weddings to generate a lucky or wang atmosphere. A more somber style of beiguan is also played at funerals. Nowadays, most beiguan troops are made up of amateur players, called zidituan, but some professional groups remain. In the past, every village or clan had its own zidituan. Villagers took great pride in taking part, either by performing or by organizing religious events, as this was seen as a way of showing one's devotion to the gods. The repertoire of beiguan music is wide, ranging from theatrical pieces, songs, and music for wind and drums or strings and wind. These days, beiguan is most often heard in its marching band style, 出阵游街, alongside religious processions or as an accompaniment to various types of Taiwanese theater. It is still widespread across central and northern Taiwan.
Hello, I'm Joseph Lin, and we're back with our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Alice, I know your name is Alice, but over the months of doing this Hakka lesson, we never taught people how to ask, what's your name? Or in 国语的话，我们通常都说 what's your last name? Because that's the Chinese culture. It's a sign of politeness just to ask your last name. 请问先生贵姓啊？请问小姐贵姓啊？这个请问贵姓要怎么说？
呛闷松香。
呛闷送香啊。
呛闷。
呛闷，请问。
松香。
松香。
请问贵姓
？OK， 听起来要上香了。我说糟糕，怎么会这样子嘞？我一股冷气这样子过来。OK， 呛闷松香，对不对 ？OK， that means what is your name or last name to be specific, but generally it means what is your name. OK， 那我要回答我姓林。那我怎么说？
矮香林。
矮就是我嘛哈，矮香林姓就是香，林就是林嘛。
超矮嘅話，矮香旁。
你香旁
就是彭。
Okay, that means your last name is Peng. That's our general asking of people's names, last names, and just to say hi to them. That's our lesson of the day for Hakka. And I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼大家？
俺自say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.